Your mind is a hugely powerful instrument. You can either cultivate your mind to help you achieve the impossible, bringing your dreams to life. And if you don't actively work on your mind, it can in fact become almost an enemy where your mind can stop you dead in your tracks and prevent you from living a fulfilled and meaningful life. In my extensive inner well-being journey, where I had the opportunity to study with some of the most renowned yoga and meditation masters, I learned the importance of regulating our minds and our thinking. If we reflect upon this for just a moment, imagine your mind is the space in which that you are living 24 hours a day. It's actually your primary residence. And so many of us take so much time to beautify our spaces that we live in, that we work in. We wake up in the morning, we take some time to make sure that physically we're looking good, that we are looking professional enough to engage with the rest of the world. Very few people roll out of bed, don't brush their teeth, don't shower, and start engaging with the world. In fact, a lot of us take so much pride in our physical appearance. What about our mental appearance? Do we wake up in the morning and ask ourselves, is my mind a fit instrument to engage with the external world? So I like to look at my mental health and well-being like my physical well-being. We all know that if we want energy, vitality, a healthy body, we need to eat right. Our nutrition is very important. We need to exercise. We need to release stress. And we need to maintain our physical body on a daily basis. Your physical body is the vehicle with which you are maneuvering this very complex physical environment. It allows you to move, to take action. Your mind is equally an important aspect of your well-being, because if you do not spend time on every single day managing stress, ridding yourself of all the negative thoughts, and really starting to be intentional about your life, you can also end up with mental ill health. So just like we can end up with physical ill health, one can also end up with mental ill health. So in the same token, your mental health and well-being is as important as your physical health and well-being. Your mind needs good quality nutrition, thinking. Your mind needs to be spacious and freed from stress and anxiety and all that chaotic thinking that happens on a daily basis. So just like you're building your physical well-being, you need to actively start working in your mental gym, building your mental muscles that will allow you to move forward in this life and create a life that you love. All your experiences of pain and pleasure begin in your mind. All your thoughts impact how you feel, your emotions. And based on how you're feeling, you will then show up in the world with particular behaviors. You will make certain decisions, choices. And it is those behaviors, decisions, and choices that impact the life that you are living, the quality of all your life experiences. So if you want to live a more fulfilled, authentic, and joyous life, you need to begin in your mental gym. We start learning with very, very small baby steps how to regulate the mind, how to become aware of our thoughts, and then using this thinking to intentionally impact how we feel. And your thoughts and feelings are then impacting how you're moving out into the world. So the understanding of the physical environment being uncertain, impermanent, and forever changing and volatile is our first level of understanding. Secondly, while the physical environment is moving and dynamic and represents your outer world, your thoughts and your emotions represent your inner world. So rather than just completely focusing on people and the external environment, we learn how to bring our focus to our inner well being. We learn to regulate our thoughts, our emotions, to become much more intentional, how we're thinking, feeling, and reacting to the outside world. And this is really where our power comes into play. We recognize that when we become intentional and focus on our internal world, impact our external environment and our life experiences in a very, very powerful way.